students, a hearty welcome to my channel as to learn. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start with a new grammar topic, that is articles in English grammar. Okay, so basically I'm going to cover three main points, that is what are articles, types of articles and usage of articles in a sentence. So please watch the video till the end to understand this topic very well. Okay, so please stay tuned till the end, students. So starting with our first point, okay, what are articles? So you have heard about the words a and the, okay, you usually use these words in your sentences. So these are called as articles. Okay, so a and the are called as articles. Now there are two types of articles, that is indefinite article and definite article. So a and comes under indefinite article. So as the name only states you that indefinite articles are used when we do not specify which particular person or thing we are referring to. Okay, we are not specifying a particular person or thing here. At that case we use a or an. Okay, now coming to definite article, the. So it is used when we specify particular person or thing which we are referring to. In that case we use the article the. Okay students, now we will understand this in detail, okay, with the help of a chart. Now starting with the article a. Okay, so a article is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. Okay, now this article is used, okay, before the nouns, singular countable nouns which are not specific. Okay, so like girl, a boy, okay, a man. So they are singular countable nouns. That means you can count as well as in number they are one. Okay, second, if a noun starts with a consonant sound B, C, D, G, H, A comes before the noun. Okay, if your noun, the word, okay, starts with a consonant sound. Now you know what are consonants and what are vowels. So if the word starts with a consonant sound, okay, at that time you use the article a. Now we will better understand this with the help of an example. See, a dog is faithful to his master. Now dog is a singular countable noun. Okay, it's a singular. Dogs means plural. Dog is singular. Okay, then it starts with the consonant sound. Yes students, agree, because dog starts with the sound D. Okay, and we are not referring to any particular dog here. Okay, so in that case we are using the article a. Okay, understanding? Okay, now we will take the second example here. I saw a man standing on the road. Here I am used a. Why? Because the word man is a singular countable noun. It starts with a consonant sound M. So I am using the article a. So you have understood where we use the article a? Yes? Okay. Now moving to our next article, that is an. Okay. So the first criteria remains the same, that is it is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. Okay, second one, if the noun starts with the vowel sound, now you know a, e, I, o, u are the vowels. In that case you use an. Okay, now there is a special case for an article. It is sometimes used before the words beginning with a silent H. Now you have to take care of this. Okay, like words our, honest man, here H is silent. So in that case we use an, our, an honest man. Okay, now we will see the example. An umbrella was bought for Jack. Here the word umbrella begins with a vowel sound U. Yes students, agree? And also it is a singular countable noun, so the article an is used. Okay, understood? I usually eat an apple every day. Here apple is a word which starts with a vowel sound a. It's a singular countable noun, so we are using the word article an. Okay, clear with a and an? Yes? Okay. Now we will move to our last article, that is the. I hope everyone can see it clearly. Okay. Now, the article is used in front of all nouns. Okay. Here there is no condition of singular or plural or countable or uncountable. It can be used in front of all nouns. Okay. To describe someone or something specific or unique. Now see the sun. Okay. It is only one. There are no two suns or three suns. Okay. So we are specifying it in particular. So the sun, the sky, the earth. Okay. Similarly, see the second one. The article is used when you talk about the same noun. Now see an example. I bought a dress. Now here dress is a noun and I'm talking about it again. So how I am using the article? I bought a dress. The dress is very beautiful. Okay. Understood? Now coming to the third point, the article is used before the names of rivers, gulf, seas, groups of islands, mountain ranges, etc. Like the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas, the Andamans. Okay, before that also you use the article the. Coming to the fourth point, before the names of certain well-known books also you use the article the, like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Okay. In that also, before that also you use the article the. Coming to the last one, before an adjective in the superlative degree. Now there are degrees of comparison. You might have heard or you might have learnt about it. Okay, so in that case, in superlative degree, Socrates was the wisest of Greek philosophers. So in that case also, while comparison, you use the article the. So I hope you have understood regarding the articles in this small video. Okay, in my next video we will do some activities on these articles. Okay, so please, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel S2Learn. Okay, for enjoying more and more videos in near future. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye.